Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Andrea Diaz and I'm with Global Voices at the Student Success Center. If you're looking to join us in our skill shops, either for Alpha for our African American students or Global Voices for Hispanic, Latinx, or international students, please make sure to follow this video so you can see where to join us and how to access on Blackboard. So I'm gonna very quickly share my screen. Once you log in into Blackboard, you will see something very similar to this. With your institution, you will see your courses. Everyone at this point should have the Student Success Center. I don't know if you can see me right here under courses. It will go to Student Success Center. Once you log in to that course, you will go under Academic Support, SSC Virtual Rooms for Alpha and Global Voices. It's very important to point out the difference that it will have for the SI and tutoring program and other educational skill shops, and for the multicultural that it will be Alpha and Global Voices. These are dedicated rooms where we can go and meet for every single sketch shop or events that we have in our schedule. Once you select there, you will scroll down and you will see that it says enter to the SSC virtual room for Alpha and Global Voices. Go in. You will see different groups. You will see Alpha and Global Voices. You can actually sign up and be part of that group. I'm part of Global Voices, so that's why I don't have anything under here. So I'm just gonna select. Here in this area, you will see who are members of the group, and this is me. And this is my colleague, Roxana Gandia. She worked with undergrad and master students. I work with the DC students, but that's not exclusive to that. Like, we will work with everyone. Then under group tools, you will see collaborate. Just click on collaborate and it will take you to the group room. Here you will see this recorded skill shop that just happened on April 13 at 11. So you can actually go back and watch it if you wanted to. If you were present but you didn't catch all details, or if you missed it because you were in a class, you can always come back and watch it. So now for the live version, we're just gonna join the room right here on the upper right. And this will bring you to the actual room. We can see right here, this flyer, some of the events. You can find this flyer on the SSC website at live.edu/SSC. And if you have any questions about how to access or what things that you need to know about academic support or the Student Success Center, please don't hesitate to send us an email to academicsupport@live.edu. academicsupport@live.edu. See you all.